Come on, watch out, watch out. Hey, how's it going? Quacky, you're getting an upgrade. Watch out. Coming through. Getting an upgrade, Quacky. Yeah, I got y'all's eggs. Watch out. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and as y'all can see, Quacky's getting an upgrade. What's going on, Quacky? Hanging out with Quacky and the gang. Y'all doing big bird things. But you guys, that's not what this video is just about. So let me take y'all over here and show y'all what I got. Going over here, come on. Now, I know some of y'all are going to laugh at me, okay? But listen up. What I'm about to show you is going to be a bass slaying machine right here. So, some guys got bass boats, others got kayaks. Mikey Outdoors got an inflatable kayak. That's right, you guys. Got me the old Challenger. Now look at this thing. This thing's cool right here. It's a double-seater. Me and Miss Outdoors, or me and my son. Got a nice little cargo net on it right there. Really cool. Now, what I want you guys to do is come up with a name with this thing. Okay? I don't want to call it the Challenger. I want y'all to come up with something creative and something pretty cool. Now, I got this just to do some challenges, like some fishing challenges on it. Bring y'all some regular fishing videos from it. I did just get a GoPro, so come up with a name for this kayak for me. Oh, and look here, you guys. I got my first bait caster. Ain't this cool? Now, this is a Shakespeare's Alpha medium fast, I believe. 6 foot. It's not something that, you know, you would use for heavy baits or anything like that, but that's my new bait caster. This is my new little kayak. I do plan on getting a regular kayak, but for now, this is what I got. It was the most affordable for me right now, so yeah, guys, tell me what y'all think about this. I thought it was pretty neat and just wanted to show y'all. So expect some cool fishing videos coming soon from it. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show y'all that, show you my new rod. Quacky got an upgrade. He's doing all big duck things over there. So just making a short video for you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Drop a comment down below. Let's name this kayak something really cool and creative. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Stay tuned for some cool fishing videos. I got a lot of cool videos coming up for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.